Today we have X225 Hitachi excavator, and the main question: why diesel engine cuts off, stalls out after 15-20 minutes of running, and then we end up with a long crank, no start, very hard start. Yeah, let's pop the hood and I will show you what I found on my machine, and yeah, it might help someone. We have a Isuzu 6Bg1T 6-cylinder diesel, beautiful engine, super reliable dinosaur, and we're looking downward our manual lift pump, and that is our area of concern. Let's remove that side panel to get access to the parts. I'm using a brake cleaner before we started to remove any components. Wash all that debris with the brake clean and blow everything with the compressed air. Okay, as you can see, that line is coming to the top of the lift pump and one is coming to the bottom. That line is coming from the water separator, and on this machine there is no filter on the water separator. Okay, that line is coming straight to the bottom of the manual hand lift pump, and as you can see there is a banjo bolt. Let's take that bolt out. I will show you something. Okay, 17 mil socket and my trusted stubby rigid impact works great. Okay, bolt is removed. As you can see, we have a 2 copper washer. Always good idea to put in new ones when you go to assemble. Let's pull that banjo bolt fitting out. Here we go. I removed entire line. You don't have to. And as you can see, there's a plastic insert, and that is a screen filter, pre-filtration before the actual fuel filter, before the fuel injection pump, and that what gets all dirt and debris from the tank before the filter, because it's just coming straight to your lift pump, and that cause of fuel starvation. Look at that, how much debris and dirt build up over time, and there's a tiny little hole to pass the fuel to the lift pump, and then to the filter, and then to the fuel injection pump. Look at that, how dirty that, and it's all almost clogged up, and that is one of the most common causes of machines stalling out or bogging down after a while, or you might not even be able to run under the load. Yeah, what I'm going to do, I will just go and wash that plastic screen insert with a brake clean, very good, and put it all together. Make sure it's spotless, it's clean, guys. And if you have any questions, comments, critics, concerns, suggestions for another videos, please leave everything down in the comment section below under the video. Blow everything with a compressor. Be careful not to damage the plastic insert, so easy to break. Let's clean our banjo bolt, and we're ready for assembly. Let's wash it, make sure it's all clean. Brake clean is our good friend. Yeah, blow it out and make it clean. Yeah, let's put our filter back inside that banjo bolt, screw it in and tight it, snag it with a screwdriver. Yeah, guys, and if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up, and yeah, everything's back together. Purge your air from the fuel system, and we're good to go. And it has been a year and a half since I did this repair, and machine runs like a clock. No issues whatsoever, no stalling out any longer, no parts required repair. My favorite. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. And yeah, stay safe, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.